Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Paulumi, and as you already know from the thumbnail that today is my pet dog Shiva's birthday, and you can already see him playing around, jumping around with the balloons, and he's very excited about his birthday. So last year on this day I got him home and he was a cute little baby back then, and now he's grown up and being very cute. So you can see he's already in the kitchen. So I thought to make a homemade cake for him, and the ingredients are atta, wheat flour, we have milk, and we have 2 ripe bananas, and we have dry fruits as well, especially almonds and kaju, and here is honey and not sugar. We also have baking soda and 1 cake tin. So right now I'll be cutting down the bananas in circular shape, and while I cut down my bananas, I have Shiva waiting in the kitchen. He's thinking, what is happening, what we are making for him. And after I cut down the bananas and mash it, I'm going to add the atta wheat flour nicely. And I'll be just adding little bit of dry fruits here, especially the almonds and the cashews. So after adding the almonds and cashews, I'm going to make sure that I mix the ingredients in a proper way, basically the mashed bananas, dry fruits and the atta. And at this moment I'm going to add the milk, and please make sure that you don't take too much of milk. And the mixture looks a little bit dry now, but then we are supposed to mix the ingredients of the cake very nicely. And I will be adding baking powder right now in this moment. And after I add the baking powder, I'm going to add little bit of water, as it's a little bit of dry, and the honey. And after I add the honey, I'm going to put oil in the cake tin, and then the butter paper, and again I'm going to oil it over the butter paper and put the mixture in the cake tin, and I'm going to tap it very nicely so that it sets up. And while I do this, he is already waiting in the kitchen and wondering what is happening, what we are making for him. And I'm going to make him taste the mixture of cake, and he already loves it, as you all can see. So at this moment we have put the cake mixture in the microwave, and the temperature is set by my sister, and I have no idea. And while the cake is making, he's already waiting near the window and checking out people. So this was not part of the plan to add up in the cake. So I thought to make a mango pulp for him, since mango is one of the most favorite fruit of him. So I have thought to use a ripe mango and mash it well, and just put the mango pulp in the gas and just mix it very nicely. And when the mango pulp starts boiling, I'm going to shut off the gas. So while I do this, my sister was grooming him by putting powder and brushing his fur, and you can already see him busy with napkins. He has too much craze about tearing napkins of him, and you can already see that he is wearing a bow. So once the cake was ready, I let it cool down for some time, and after the cake cooled down, I have started to add up the mango syrup. And after adding the mango syrup, I've added little bit of cashews all over the cake, and this is how his homemade cake looks like. If you already loved watching this video, then please do hit a like button, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon so that whenever I post content, you will get notifications soon. And also subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hope to meet everyone again with new vlog or new content next week. Till then, take care, stay happy, don't take stress. See you soon. Bye bye.